Hello, my beautiful friends. A warm welcome to Rahul Texture Art. Take a slow breath, settle your mind, leave the noise of the world outside. For the next few minutes, this canvas, this palette knife, and your imagination are all that matter. Every layer remembers the gentle touch of the artist. Today we are not chasing perfection. We are awakening the artist who has always lived quietly within us. So gather your canvas, prepare your texture medium, pick up your favorite palette knife, let your hands relax, let your heart become still. Now, take your palette knife once again. Very gently, begin cutting through the texture. Not with force. With kindness, allow the knife to glide. Each cut creates movement. Each movement creates rhythm. Each rhythm creates life. Imagine little rivers flowing through ancient valleys. Imagine gentle winds shaping desert sand over thousands of years. Now, let us build greater depth. Take another generous amount of texture. Place it naturally. Allow one layer to rest upon another. Layer after layer, just as life builds itself. One memory resting upon another. One experience embracing the next. Heavy textured abstract art is beautiful because it invites us to do more than simply look. It invites us to feel. Notice how the texture begins rising proudly from the surface. Soon, light will dance across these beautiful peaks. Now comes one of my favorite moments. A simple bottle cap, such an ordinary object. Yet, in the hands of an artist, even ordinary things become magical. Gently press, lift, turn, press again, do not think too much. And now, we wait. Yes, waiting is also part of creating. The texture needs time. Just as a seed needs time beneath the earth, just as the morning waits patiently for sunrise, leave the canvas undisturbed. Trust the process. Trust nature. Our beautiful texture is now ready, ready to receive its first colors. Today, we paint with peace, one color at a time. No hurry, no rush, only silence, only presence. Now, pause. Look carefully. Every color deserves its own moment, its own first breath. Do not mix them all together. Not yet. Allow them to introduce themselves. One by one, like beautiful dreams arriving quietly in the night. Some colors whisper, some remain silent, some simply wait. Observe them, listen to them, respect them. Great paintings are never born through speed. They are born through patience. They are born through love. They are born through quiet attention. Stay with this moment, because this is where the canvas truly begins to awaken. Now, the conversation begins. The colors slowly discover one another. Olive green embraces golden yellow. Burnt umber quietly settles into the deeper texture. Black patiently waits. Nothing competes. Everything belongs. Allow your palette knife to move slowly. Do not force the blending. Simply guide it. Nature never rushes harmony. Neither should we. Take a moment. Step back. Observe. The painting is beginning to breathe. Now take a soft tissue or a gentle cloth. Lightly touch the surface. Lift. Touch again. Lift once more. Do not wipe. Let the texture reveal itself. Notice the beautiful highlights appearing. Notice the deeper shadows becoming richer. Now, black returns. Not to cover, not to dominate, only to create depth. Allow it to settle gently into the deeper textures. Immediately, the painting gains strength. The brighter colors begin glowing even more. Never fear dark tones. They give meaning to light. Every beautiful sunrise needs the memory of night. And now, light enters the canvas. Take a little white, very gently brush across the highest textures. Watch carefully. The artwork slowly awakens. Every raised surface begins catching the light. This becomes the heart of our composition, the center of attraction. The canvas begins glowing from within. Now, one more delicate touch, a second layer of white, only where it is needed. Not everywhere. Less is often more. This gentle layer adds elegance, adds softness, adds another beautiful dimension. The texture now feels almost sculptural, as though it wishes to be touched. Take your sponge, touch gently, lift gently, touch again. Allow the sponge to create soft transitions. No pressure, no hurry. Tiny textures begin appearing naturally. The artwork becomes lighter, calmer, full of beautiful surprises. Now comes a little magic. Metallic gold. Use only a whisper, a gentle kiss. Allow the light to rest upon a few raised textures. Nothing more. As light falls upon the canvas, those tiny golden highlights begin to sparkle. Quietly, gracefully, elegantly. Now, metallic bronze joins the journey. Warm, earthy, Timeless. Only a few thoughtful touches. Bronze adds maturity. It adds richness. Like evening sunlight resting upon ancient stone, the painting feels deeper, more complete. And finally, turquoise blue. Fresh, vibrant, full of life. Just a few beautiful accents, like discovering a hidden lake deep inside a peaceful forest. Immediately, the entire composition awakens. One small touch, one unforgettable transformation. Now softly smudge a few selected areas. Very gently, allow every color to become friends. Allow every transition to feel natural. Nothing should appear separate. Everything belongs together. Harmony is born through connection, not perfection. And now, take one slow step back. Pause. Simply look. This is no longer just acrylic paint. It is no longer only heavy texture. It has become a story, a reflection of your patience, your imagination, your courage to create. Every layer remembers your touch. Every texture holds an emotion. And somewhere within this beautiful artwork, your inner artist has awakened once again. Thank you. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for sharing this peaceful creative journey with me. I truly hope this textured abstract art tutorial inspires you to create fearlessly. If today's palette knife painting brought you peace, please support the channel with a like. Share this video with someone who loves art. And subscribe to Rahul Texture Art for more textured abstract art, acrylic painting tutorials, heavy texture techniques, and inspiring creative journeys. Until we meet again, keep creating. Keep exploring, keep listening to nature, because every texture has a story, and every artist carries a masterpiece within. Happy painting.